Okay, so starting with our exercise, questions of the exercise, which is 15.1. The first question is that we have to draw a quadrilateral on our own and we have to mark these points on different places. Okay, so first point is, first of all, draw a quadrilateral. So you can draw any quadrilateral or draw it in any way, but it should have 4 sides. Just keep in mind that it should have 4 sides. Okay, then first point says that you have to mark P, Q and R in its interior. Interior क्या था? क्वाड्रिलेटरल के अंदर पॉइंट्स P, Q और R को मार्क करना है. तो एन कोई कहीं पे भी हमने आई हैव मार्क्ड इट इनसाइड the quadrilateral. You can mark it anywhere. You can mark P here, Q here, R here, or P here, Q here, R here. Anywhere you can mark, but just keep it inside the quadrilateral because they have asked you to keep it inside interior. Okay, then E, F, G on its boundary. On its boundary means mark it on these sides. Okay, boundary पे इसको मार्क करना. तो ये जो साइड्स हैं इस पर कहीं पे भी मार्क कर सकते हैं. सो आई मार्क्ड E हियर, F हियर, G हियर. यू कैन मार्क इट ऑल ऑन द सेम साइड और वन हियर, वन हियर, वन हियर, एज यू प्रेफर. कैसे भी कर सकते हैं, जैसे हमने किया बिल्कुल वैसे भी कर सकते हैं, या फिर आप कहीं और भी लगाना चाहें, बस बाउंड्री पे ही रहिएगा. ओके, देन थर्ड पार्ट इज एक्स, वाई एंड जेड ऑन द एक्सटीरियर. एक्सटीरियर मीन्स आउटसाइड द क्वाड्रिलेटरल. सो जस्ट टेक एनी 3 points outside. So I've taken x here, y here and z here. You can take it all one side or here or upside, anywhere you want, you can take it anywhere. Okay, so this is how your first question could be on, and this question could also is a very easy question. Okay, so don't think that this could not come. This is a very easy question, and I can always ask it in your test stating that tell which of the point is exterior, and I have given you four options. तो उसमें से जो exterior point होगा वो आपको मार्क करना होगा. So this could be in your test, you never know. Okay, next question is you have to draw a hexagon and then find the number of diagonals in a hexagon. So I have drawn a hexagon. Hexagon is what? Hexagon is a polygon with 6 sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a hexagon. All these figures have to be drawn on the plain side of your copy in the geometry copy with only pencil and scale. No use of sketch and pen. Alright. Number of diagonals. Now you have to find the number of diagonals in a hexagon. So formula is number of diagonals equals to n bracket n minus 3 upon 2. Value of n is, how many sides are there in hexagon? 6. So value of n is 6. So 6 multiplied by 6 minus 3 upon 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So that would be how much? That would be 3 threes are 9. Okay, so 3 into 3 is 9. So how many diagonals are there in a hexagon? 9 diagonals are there in a hexagon. Alright, next is question number 4. I have skipped a few questions. That's because either the questions were similar or the questions were to be done in the book only. So I have skipped those questions. Okay, using formula, find the angle sum of the given polygon. You have to find angle sum they are asking. Okay, so मतलब कि you have to find the sum of all interior angles. एक्सटीरियर वर्ड कहीं यूज़ नहीं करेंगे अगर वो लोग, तो आप समझ जाइए कि इंटीरियर के बारे में ही बात कर रहे हैं. अगर स्पेसिफाई करना होगा तो वो लोग एक्सटीरियर वर्ड खुद से बोलेंगे. अगर कोई बस से ये बोला एंगल सम मीन्स सम, मतलब कि सम निकालना है तो ऑब्वियसली या तो सम ऑफ एक्सटीरियर या तो सम ऑफ ऑल इंटीरियर. अब कन्फ्यूजन इस बात में होगा कि सम ऑफ ऑल इंटीरियर निकालना है कि एक्सटीरियर निकालना है. तो इस कन्फ्यूजन को इस तरह से दूर करेंगे कि अगर वो एक्सटीरियर पूछ रहे होंगे तो दे विल मेंशन द वर्ड एक्सटीरियर. अगर उन्होंने एक्सटीरियर वर्ड यूज़ नहीं किया है और कोई वर्ड यूज़ नहीं किया है तो दैट मीन्स दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इंटीरियर ओनली. ओके, सो फर्स्ट पार्ट इज पेंटागन. यू हैव टू फाइंड द सम ऑफ ऑल इंटीरियर एंगल्स ऑफ अ पेंटागन एन वैल्यू ऑफ एन इज 5. तो सम ऑफ ऑल इंटीरियर एंगल्स का फॉर्मूला होता है 2n minus 4 multiplied by 90. वैल्यू ऑफ एन इज 5. अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू, डोंट डू द सब्ट्रैक्शन फर्स्ट. 5 minus 4 पहले नहीं करेंगे, पहले मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे. तो 2 5s are 10 minus 4 into 90. 10 minus 4 is 6, 6 into 90, 6 9s are 54 and 0. So 540 is the sum of all the interior angles of a pentagon. Next is you have to find the sum of all interior angles of a dodecagon. Dodecagon is a polygon which has 12 sides. ठीक है। तो सम ऑफ ऑल इंटीरियर एंगल का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे and then we'll solve it in the same manner. So 2 into 12 minus 4, 2 12s are 24 minus 4 into 90, 24 minus 4 is 20 into 90, 2 9s are 18 and 2 zeros. So sum of all the interior angles is of a dodecagon is 1800 degrees. Don't forget to put this degrees sign. What is the measure of each angle of polygon? Again, see, they have given you each angle, no interior, no exterior. So when they are not mentioning anything interior, exterior, then that means they are talking about interior angle only. Okay, where the polygon has how many sides? 9 sides. So value of n is 9. Each interior formula for each interior angle is 180 degree minus 360 upon n. Value n की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे तो 360 अपॉन 9, 9 1 जा 9, 9 4 जा 36, 0. So 180 minus 40, that would be 140 degrees. So this is the value of each interior angle of a polygon which has 9 sides. Again, you have to find the value of each interior angle of a polygon which has 12 sides. So value of n is 12. Put it in the formula 180 degree minus 360 upon n. 180 degree minus 360 upon n की जगह 12, 12 1 जा 12, 12 3 जा 36 and 0. So 180 degree minus 30 is what you have to calculate. So that would be 180 degree minus 30 is 150 degrees. Now this question is a bit different from rest of the question, तो इसको ज़रा ध्यान से समझिए. Can x is equals to 30 degree be exterior angle of any polygon? They are asking you that if 13 degree could be the value of each exterior angle of n, किसी भी polygon के each exterior angle की value 13 degree हो सकती है. अब हमें नहीं पता है कि what kind of polygon that is, हमें नहीं पता उस polygon में कितने sides हैं, n कितना है उसका हमें नहीं पता है. तो हम कोशिश करेंगे, हमें each exterior angle की value उन्होंने दे रखी है, हम इस value से नंबर ऑफ साइड्स निकालने की कोशिश करेंगे. सो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर ईच एक्सटीरियर एंगल? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दे हैव गिवन यू ईच एक्सटीरियर एंगल एज 13. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर ईच एक्सटीरियर एंगल? दैट इज 360 अपॉन n. तो इसके नीचे लिख दिया फॉर्मूला, और 13 ईच एक्सटीरियर एंगल की वैल्यू है, उसको वहाँ पर लिखेंगे. नॉट टेकिंग दिस n विच इज इन डिनोमिनेटर टू द राइट हैंड साइड and this will get multiplied by 13. So 13, 360 is equals to 13n. Leave the n to the right hand side and bring 13 to the left hand side. So 360 degree upon 13. Now this can't be cancelled out completely. So 13 ones are 13, 13 to the 26, 10 is left, that would be 100. 13 sevens are 91, again 9 is left, then again point place करेंगे 90 हो जाएगा, फिर से 13 sevens are. So if ऐसा कभी नहीं हो सकता कि the number of sides are in decimals or in fraction. Okay, you can draw a polygon which has 7 sides. You can draw a polygon which has 70 sides, but you cannot draw a polygon which has 27.7 side. 0.7, how will you draw 7? So this is not given if the value of n is not in whole number. Okay, if it is in decimal or in fraction, then what you will do, then what you will write, since number of sides of polygon cannot be in decimal, okay, value of n cannot be in fraction or a decimal. Okay, therefore 13 degree cannot be the exterior angle of any polygon. Thus इन्होंने यही पूछा था कि 13 डिग्री हो सकता है कि नहीं हो सकता है, हो सकता है या नहीं हो सकता है, ये पता लगाने के लिए हमने n की वैल्यू निकाली. n की वैल्यू अगर होल नंबर में आती, सिर्फ 27 आती, तो पॉसिबिलिटी थी, then we would have written yes it is possible. But since value of n is not in whole number, it is in decimal या fraction में भी आती अगर, तो भी हम उसे कैलकुलेट नहीं कर पाते. ठीक है. सो अगर इस तरह का कोई आंसर आता है तो हम लिख देंगे नो, द पॉसिबिलिटी इज नॉट देयर. मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Ratio of all the angles of quadrilateral are given. You have to find the value of each angle. So first of all we will draw a quadrilateral and all the 4 angles are in ratio of 2:3:4:9. So we will start with, let the angles of quadrilateral be 2x degrees, 3x degrees, 4x degrees and 9x degrees. Now by using the angle sum property of quadrilateral, since the sum of all the angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree, so 2x plus 3. We will add everything up. 2x plus 3x plus 4x plus 9x should be equals to 360 degree. Adding everything is 18x is equals to 360 degree. Leaving x to the left hand side, bring 18 to the right hand side. 360 degree upon 18. 18 1 जा 18, 18 2 जा 36 and 0. So x की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई 20 degree. Now we know the value of x. We will put this value in all the four angles and find the value of all the four angles. So first angle is 2x, so 2 into 20 is 40 degrees. Second angle is 3x, 3 into 20 is 60 degree. Third angle is 4x, 4 into 20 is 80 degrees. And fourth angle is how much? 9x. So 9 into 20 is 180 degree. So value of all the four angles we have calculated. Next is, this one is quite lengthy, okay? It's not difficult but lengthy. So just be very careful while understanding this. The average of three angles of a quadrilateral which are in ratio of 2:5:4 is 77. Okay, three angles दिए हुए हैं, जो angles का ratio है 2:5:4. इन तीन angles का average, okay, average इन तीनों angles का कितना है 77. So find all the angles. तो हमें जो चीज़ें पहले पता है हम उनको यूज़ करेंगे. लेट द वैल्यू ऑफ द थ्री एंगल जो रेशियो में दे रखे हैं उनको हम पहले लेट करेंगे. तो 2:5:4 से 2x, 5x, 4x. दीज आर द एंगल्स, दीज आर द थ्री एंगल्स. ओके, अब इन्होंने क्या कहा है, इन्होंने कहा है कि द एवरेज ऑफ these three angles is 77 degrees. So what is the formula of average? Average is equal to sum of all observations upon number of observations. How many angles are there? Three angles are there. So 2x plus 5x plus 7x. And how many, if you count how many angles are there? Three angles are there. So 3. And average था कितना 77. Take this 3 to the left hand side. 77 into 3. And this will adding up. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11x. Okay, so adding this up, this will be 11x. Now 77 into 3 is 231. Take 11 to the left hand side, calculate it. You will get the value of x as 21. So by we have calculated the value of x and use this value of x to find the all three angles. So first angle is 2x, 2 into 21, 42 degrees. Second angle is 5x, 5 into 21 is 105 degrees. Third angle is 4x, so 4 into 21 is 84 degrees. Three angles we have calculated, but one angle is still left. Okay, so according to in a quadrilateral, sum of all the angles is 360 degree. First angle we have calculated, second angle we have calculated, third angle we have calculated, fourth angle we have to find. So sum of all the four angles is how much? 360 degree. We'll put the values of first three angles plus fourth angle is equal to 360 degree. Add everything up. 42 plus 105 plus 84 is 231 plus fourth angle is equal to 360 degree. Take 231 to the right hand side. 360 degree minus 231, that would be 129 degree. So the value of the fourth angle is 129 degree. The question is very easy. It's just that it's very lengthy. Okay. Find the value of one figure is given in this question and you have to find the value of x. Now if you look at this carefully, all the angles which they have mentioned are what? They are all exterior angles. And what does the formula of exterior angle says? That sum of all exterior angles, जितने भी बाहर exterior angles होते हैं उन सब का sum is always 360 degree, irrespective कि वो किस type का polygon है. The sum of all the exterior angles is 360 degree. So we know the value of all, we just don't know the value of one exterior angle. So writing it like this, 90 plus 66 plus 90 plus x plus 70 is equals to 360 degree. Just add it up everything and the sum has to be equals to 360 degree. Adding everything up, we have got how much? 216 plus x is equals to 360 degree. X is equals to 360 minus 216. So the value of x or value of this exterior angle is 144 degree. So that would be up for this exercise. If there is any doubt in any question, you can always ask. Okay, thank you.